Sumayya from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I went through a lot of operation. I didn't reach though, but I had to bear it a bit as I had no choice. I told my husband or my family about it to get consolation from them. Will I get reward from Allah for that as I already told them about my operation?
I don't understand. What operation are we talking about?
I went through a lot of operation.
Operations, yani medical operations, surgeries?
Operation.
Oppression. From whom?
Yes.
From family members, from friends, from relatives?
In-law.
From your in-laws. And you're not telling your family, your parents, your siblings about it, correct?
Yes, my husband and my siblings.
Okay. If you don't tell them because you don't want to cause more problems and you're hoping that by not telling them that you will get reward from Allah Azza wa Jal and inshallah things will progress and improve, of course you will be rewarded by Allah Azza wa Jal. But if not, reporting such oppression and wrongdoing would only encourage them to escalate and to do more. And your husband is oblivious, he doesn't know. And if he were to know after 1-2 years, he would be angry. Why didn't you tell me before? So that I could put a stop to it. So if you tell him or you tell your siblings to intervene, knowing that their intervention is going to be positive, not causing in your divorce. Because if you want to stay in this marriage, you should think of the consequence of whatever you do and say. So if this is the case, yes, you can say it, inshallah.